Arcadian Networks provides last-mile wireless carrier services to electric, water, and gas utilities and oil and gas companies. Arcadian Networks' 700 MHz licensed spectrum delivers a converged IP network with voice and data communications for fixed and mobile applications. The real-time communications platform reduces operational costs, improves resiliency, and transforms electric grids into efficient smart grids and oil fields into optimized smart fields. Traditionally, utility and oil and gas companies have had two choices for deploying field communications. They could build their own custom private network or buy communication services from a traditional consumer-oriented carrier. Over the decades, most energy company field network deployments have been driven by three factors. First, the prevailing state-of-the-art technology, analog yesterday or digital today. Second, the device or application requirements, such as data or voice communications, fixed or mobile communications for trunk mobile radio, SCADA data sweeps, telephone service, and remote monitoring of field devices. And lastly, the availability or lack of availability of carrier communication services, like POTS lines, lease lines, or cellular coverage. The result is that today's utility and oil and gas company field networks are a hodgepodge of siloed applications, equipment, protocols, and capabilities which hinder field productivity as much as they improve it. Each of these siloed applications and devices, RTUs, telephones, meters, trunk mobile radio, and last-mile backhaul, hide the baggage and complexity of the underlying communication network and support infrastructure, such as application and networking security hardware and software, network operations and personnel and overhead, and the networking equipment and recurring carrier and maintenance service fees. Arcadian Networks transforms these communication silos into a modern, all-digital TCP/IP-based broadband communication platform. Unlike consumer-oriented carriers who do not provide the coverage, long-term commitments, security, or reliability backed by a service level agreement, SLA, Arcadian Networks delivers. We understand the needs of energy companies for remote and rural coverage. We mitigate the security and reliability risks of consumer-oriented carriers and provide the long-term flexibility to monitor, command, and control field assets, applications, and personnel. In the end, we deliver private, custom, interference-free wireless networks which complement existing infrastructure. Our networks are based on the licensed broadband 700 MHz spectrum, utilized by our nation's public safety and recommended by the Utilities Telecommunications Council, UTC, as a superior frequency spectrum for critical infrastructure industries. The results? A mission-critical, high-performance, low-latency, future-proof communication platform. Arcadian Networks' custom private managed service transforms your electric grid into a smart grid and your oil field into a smart field with best-of-breed capabilities. You focus on your core business, energy production, while weeding out redundancies and complementing your existing infrastructure and skills. In the end, you'll save money and time. You'll do more with less, and you'll work smarter, not harder. To schedule a complimentary custom engineering feasibility study, which includes a detailed radio frequency design and economic cost-benefit ROI analysis, please call us at 914-579-6300 or visit us at arcadiannetworks.com. Arcadian Networks, wireless ingenuity to the last mile.